Let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, while I was going through my LEDs, I found one interesting thing. That was this. This LED have three legs. And guess what? It's an RGB. No, you dumb. It's a bicolor LED. It is practically two LEDs with one common cathode. The connections are simple. The middle leg is ground and other two legs can be connected to two resistors of 220 ohm and to some digital pin of 80 tiny. Or if you use an Arduino, you can connect it to some digital pin of Arduino. So I just thought of connecting it to my attiny85 board. If you have a DigiSpark or Arduino or any other board, you can connect it. It's very simple. When we give voltage to one leg, the green will light up. When we give voltage to the other leg, the red will light up. And when we simultaneously give voltage to both of them, then a mixture of the two colors will come. If you have any questions, put in the comments below, and if you would like to support this channel, click the subscribe button and share it to someone else who would benefit from this. And thank you for watching. This is me, Dev Prakash. I'll catch you in the next one.